Hey guys, so today Mary and I are going to clean out the closet. Well, Mary's gonna take some measurements and specs for my closet makeover. She's here today. Yay. Look how cute she looks. Look at that bowl. I told her I want to do that one day.
Do it.
So cute. All right, so we're gonna head over to the closet and we're gonna take some specs and check out my closet and see what we can do.
Okay, so I'm measuring the entire closet, but I want to measure, you know, the depth, like basically to show like the blueprint of what the closet is. So we have all the information when we go there so we know how we can maximize the space the best.
Okay. All right, so Mary and I, we made it to the store, and this is where she introduced me to the different alpha set for the closet that I can set up. And these are all the options that I have to redo my closet. It was super exciting because everything looks so good, and it's just really fun to customize what you need according to what you have. I got to go through the different options like colors, drawers, shelves. And then after that, one of the specialists there also set up a floor plan to show me how everything will fit together. So here's a look into my closet before we get started with the organization and the whole makeover. It is inside my bathroom, and as you can see, I try to utilize every single space that I have possible. It is a little bit messy right now, but it is organized. I know where everything is. It's just not efficiently used. So whenever I'm busy, I have a busy week and I'm just, you know, grabbing clothes and on the go, it gets very messy, and I want something that is going to be easy for me to organize, easy for me to clean, and just keep things simple. So as you can see, there's not a lot of storage space here. Alright, so the first thing I'm doing here is just purging out my closet, and this is the best way for you to just get rid of everything you don't need, everything that no longer serves you, all in one time frame instead of just doing it, you know, in small increments at a time. Now, if you're still attached to your clothing, then maybe you want to do it slowly. You know, doing something is better than nothing, but I would recommend doing this at least once a year. The last time I did this was when I moved from my old house over to my new apartment. I got rid of a whole bunch of stuff just because my closet was 3 times the size of my closet now, and I am always constantly trying to improve by just simplifying more. That's my goal, is just to have, you know, capsule pieces. I'm still attached to most of my clothing items just because I spent a lot of money on them, and so it took me a while to let go of some of these items, but I believe that going slowly is better than not doing anything at all. So if you have the same issue that I have of letting go, then just, you know, do it slowly. I feel like I'm doing a pretty good job. I mean, I would have moments where I just purge because I just am so tired of cluttered space. So I would do it that way. And this, I have no choice because my closet installation is going to happen in a couple of days, and I just want to make sure that I clear out the closet for the guy to come in and install everything. So this is the empty closet. I took out every single thing that was in here, and I cannot believe how small it looks. But I'm very curious to see how it's going to look with the new shelves and the new organizational space. Here's a little peek of what they're installing in my closet, and it's just a really exciting moment because I just can't wait to see how everything is going to look in the end. They clean my walls and they just put up these brackets, so now it's just a matter of putting up the shelves next. Alright, so here is how everything looks installed. It looks amazing and beautiful. I cannot wait to start hanging up my clothes. This is how I wanted my closet to look like, and this is how they helped me lay it out. It looks exactly how I had imagined, and I'm just really excited to start hanging up my clothing and start organizing my stuff again. So the way I hang and organize my clothes is by length and by weight. So all the heavyweight, long sleeve, long items are hung in the back, and then toward the front is where I hang the lighter tank tops and flowier pieces. For the drawers up top are for accessories, and so I have one dedicated for my sunglasses and wallet, and then the top one is for my jewelry pieces. And I love the fact that I can cover up my jewelry pieces, and it's so easy and accessible for me. And it's so beautiful the way it can be displayed, and I really love this feature. For the bottom drawers, I just put my other folding clothes like my yoga clothes, lounging at home stuff. Up top is dedicated for shoes, and this is more for a display kind of thing. You know, when you walk into your closet, you want to feel excited about it, and so I decided to have my shoes display up top. And then over on the side is where I hang, my shorter item pieces. And then on the right side, which I forgot to film, is where I hang my dresses. So overall, I'm really happy with my closet. I did have to get rid of some stuff in order for all my clothing to fit, but that is good because I don't necessarily need all the extra things that I don't wear in my closet. This is definitely a closet makeover. I love how open and brighter my space is. Let me know if you like this new closet in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Love you. Ciao.